a hollow fuga, or an open hollow, or say it however you want. But JJS just dropped one of the biggest features no other Battleground game has dared to do since 1993. All right, let me break it all down. All right, JJS dropped another update, and yep, you guessed it, at some random time again, like 2 a.m. Anyway, let's check out what's new. Don't worry, I'll keep it short and save you some time, so make sure to stick around and watch till the end. Not gonna yap too much, but quick reminder, we've got a giveaway in this video. Y'all know the drill. Let's dive in. Let's start off with the small changes, but honestly, they show some pretty solid attention to detail. First up, movement. I'm talking about the movement animations, and yeah, it's kind of obvious right away. You'll notice the new walking sidestep animation, or whatever you want to call it, and also a new side dash animation, which is actually pretty clean. Kind of gives off vibes of that one Battleground game that died. I'm not gonna name drop, but you know the one. Also, if you fall from buildings or any kind of height, there's now a landing roll animation. If you press space or jump right as you land, your character will do this smooth little roll. I'm not gonna go as far as calling it realistic, but it definitely makes the game feel way smoother than before. Now, onto some character balance changes. Star Rage got hit with a bit of a nerf, specifically to the second move, Rising Rage. It can't break block anymore. Honestly, I think that's a solid call. And of course, as one character gets nerfed, another one gets a buff, and this time it's Toto, or Switcher. This man can now feint using Switch with throwable objects, which is actually kind of slick. Plus, they increased the stun on his Pebble Throw move just a bit. So yeah, fair trade, I'd say. Now, one of the best parts of this update has to be the new reward system. I haven't really tested it out myself yet, but honestly, it's pretty straightforward. I don't think this one needs some deep explanation. What you see? Yeah, it's exactly what you think. Complete the quests, get the rewards. I believe it gives you in-game currency and maybe other stuff too. I mean, just knock out those quests and you'll start racking up in-game rewards. Simple as that. And speaking of cool stuff, I think these new emotes deserve a quick showcase too. First, we've got this remove hat emote. Nothing too crazy, just a little flair. But this other one? Yeah, looks like Z decided to sneak Devil May Cry into the game or something. Honestly, kinda cool. I'm not complaining. Oh, and don't sleep on the new Victory Flash either. This is the one that was sneaked in Z's Discord a couple days ago, and now it's officially here. Okay, the roulette. Well, I'm not gonna drag the video out over this, but just know a few things changed. The mode now supports Victory Flash, the reward system's been revamped, and overall, yeah, it's just enhanced, period. Feel free to hop in and try it out for yourself.
Are you serious right now, bro?
And now, the main highlight of this update. Not gonna lie, this one's underrated as hell. The new custom moveset feature. Now, I'll be honest with y'all, I'm not really into the whole building customization stuff, but I can't ignore this one. It's actually fire. I'm gonna show you how I understand it so far, but honestly, just play around with it when you get the chance and see what works for you. So here's the deal. The moveset block now lets you fully customize your moveset, even down to the animations. Like, you can take one move and swap in a totally different animation from another move. Sounds a little confusing, I know, and I still don't fully get all of it myself. But check this out, it might help give you an idea. You basically pick a move you want to use, then select which animation you want for it. If the timing looks off, just tweak it a bit. For example, I combined Hollow Purple with Fire Arrow, and yeah, it actually works. Wild, right? This is hands down one of the best features Z's added recently. Super dope. And because I found this feature too cool to ignore, here's another example of a clean custom move. This time I flipped it the other way around. Used the Hollow Purple move, but with the Fire Arrow animation. Can't even lie, it looks cool as hell. Well, of course, you can come up with something way cooler than this. I'm just giving you an example to get the ideas flowing. Hopefully it helps. Anyway, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace out, y'all.